If you're dealing with horizontal lines on your LG TV screen, don't panic. Here are reliable methods to fix the issue and get your TV back to its crystal clear display. Method 1. Check HDMI connections. Loose or damaged HDMI cables can cause horizontal lines. Ensure all cables are securely connected and try using a different HDMI port on the TV. Method 2. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can cause display issues. Go to the Settings menu, check for updates, and install the latest firmware available for your LG TV. Method 3. Adjust picture settings. Sometimes, incorrect picture settings can create the appearance of horizontal lines. Try resetting the picture settings to factory defaults and see if it resolves the issue. Method 4. Perform a picture test. LG TVs have a built-in picture test feature. Go to the settings and perform a picture test to determine if the issue is with the TV or the signal input. Method 5. Inspect for physical damage. Horizontal lines can result from physical damage to the screen. Check if there are any visible cracks or damage on the screen itself. Method 6. Check for interference. Electromagnetic interference from nearby devices can cause horizontal lines. Ensure there are no devices like speakers or routers placed close to the TV. Method 7. Try a different input source. The problem might be with the input device rather than the TV. Try connecting a different device, such as a Blu-ray player or gaming console, to see if the issue persists. Method 8. Turn off energy saving mode. Energy saving modes can sometimes interfere with picture quality. Disable any energy saving features in the TV settings and observe if the lines disappear.